Hello everyone, myself Satish Belkhode and I welcome you all to this introductory presentation on design, control and implementation of modular medium voltage converter using SI and SiC devices. Recently, the silicon carbide devices based converters have gained significant attention due to their high efficiency and power density targets. However, when we use these devices in a conventional systems, they suffer from several challenges due to their high frequency operation. Further, these devices also have high cost and thus their utilization needs to be optimized. For such some system such as modular multi-level converter, the hybrid submodule design can be one of the way to optimize the utilization of these devices. While for the drive system, the integrated hybrid system can be one of the solution where the combination of silicon and silicon carbide devices can be used for the drive configuration to solve several issues. However, the detailed analysis needs to be carried out for such systems. Considering this as a motivation, this project targets the design and development of highly efficient and low cost silicon and silicon carbide devices based converter configuration for two such systems. A first system involves high performance medium voltage drive system, while the second system is hybrid modular multi-level converter configuration. In addition to this project will also target the comparative investigation of the developed converter systems as these both parts in terms of cost, efficiency and power density. The overall structure of the proposed system is shown here. Research approach and results to date. The overall tasks involved in this project are categorized into four major stages. As can be seen, the first stage involves device selection and converter modeling, which is done using the device characterization model developed using the experimental prototype results. So for this, the double bus testing setup is developed where various switching devices are tested for their device loss analysis. Second stage involves initial prototype and testing and their validation. For this, the initial test setups for the single phase leg of these selected configurations are developed, as shown in these two figures. As can be seen, the first setup involves the hybrid ANPC configuration, which is able to give 5 levels in the output voltage for the single phase leg. Further, the second setup involves the hybrid MMC module, where with the reduced number of modules, the higher levels can be observed in the output voltage. So currently the single phase leg setups are developed and it is planned to extend these setups for the three phase configurations and then integrate one of the setup with the drive system. For this, further the drive system will also be investigated as well as the detailed investigation will be carried out for the scaled up designs. Finally, the system integration and comparative evaluation will be carried out. Summary and next steps. As a part of this project, hybrid ANPC and MMC configurations are analyzed. Further, the single phase leg prototypes have been developed, which are tested to confirm the efficacy and features of the selected configurations. It is planned to do the detailed analysis for the three-phase scaled-up systems of the considered configurations, where the integration with the drive system will also be investigated. The detailed analysis and investigation will be carried out for the system scaled up designs. And finally, the comparative investigation of both the systems will also be presented. The team information is given here. Satish Belkhode and Rajesh Shahane are the frontier scholars guided by Professor Anshuman Shukla from IIT Bombay and Professor Jean Wang from OSU. Thank you.